Hello everyone. If I suddenly ask you how much of time Earth takes to round the sun, all of you know that it takes a 1 year to round a sun once. And if I ask how much distance it has from the sun, all are know that it has a one astronomical unit. If I ask how much the Mars takes time to round the sun once and how much of distance it has from the sun, all are start to search this in a Google because we are not familiar with other planets except Earth. Is it possible to create an equation in such a way that it gives us a period of all the planets? Is it possible? Yeah, it's possible. After thinking a lot, I get to solution this. Using a curve fitting, you can produce a polynomial equation where it relates the distance of the planet from the sun and its period, where by giving the distance of the planet, it gives us a what the period it has. Before going to know how to create this polynomial equation, it is important to know what's the meaning of curve fitting. Here, some definitions of curve fitting are there. Curve fitting examines the relationship between two or more predictors, where one is independent variable and another one is a responsible variable, where we can also call it as a dependent variable, with the goal of defining a best fit model of the relationship. Or another one is the curve fitting is the process of constructing a curve or a mathematical function that has the best fit to a series of data points, possibly subject to a constraints. Here some steps are there to get a period of the planets. First one, to get a polynomial equation we need some data of planets, where data means distance of the planets from the sun and their period, and we also need a method to solve a problem and to get a polynomial equation, and by knowing the polynomial equation we can predict the period of the planets. Here these are some data given where the distances are in astronomical unit and the periods are in the years, where one astronomical unit is equal to the distance between earth and sun, that is 14 crore 95 lakh 97,871 kilometer, and we all know that 1 year is equal to 365 days. Here Mercury has 0.387 astronomical units of distance from the sun, and it takes 0.241 year to round the sun. Like this, Venus takes this much of time to rotate the sun, and Mars takes this much of time to rotate the sun. By using these values, we can produce a polynomial equation using a least square method. Here I used a least square method to solve this problem, and I get the equation here, that is y is equal to minus 0.07570 plus 0.06594 into x plus 0.40976 x square. There are plenty of other methods are there to solve this type of examples by using C code and Python code and Java code, and we also have a mathematical tools like a MATLAB, GeoGebra, Excel. By using this we can solve this type of examples to get a polynomial equation. It is the graph where we can clearly see that this is a polynomial curve that fits the given values, which tells the relationship between mean distance and period of the planets. Here I calculated the period of Earth by using this equation where I replace this x with the one astronomical unit and I get a 1 year, that is the Earth take 1 year 365 days to complete its path around the sun. Like this we can also get period of other planets by using this equation. Thank you.